Well, I can't believe I'm finally ready to film another tutorial for you guys. So we're going to be recreating the queen of makeup. Not queen of makeup, we're going to be recreating her makeup look from NikkieTutorials, and I am obsessed with this look, the one that we're about to recreate. I'm gonna get started with priming. This is gonna be, as the queen says, not to prime is a crime. I'm gonna be using this leftovers from NYX. I know I keep saying that I have leftovers, but literally I have so much of this product, probably that's gonna be enough for me for 1 more month. And now we're gonna set the lid with some of the product. Well, I'm gonna set my lid with, I don't know, something really pink and soft. This is the shade that I'm aiming for. I'm gonna tap off. I'm gonna get this all over the lid. It's really soft. I guess you can see that we can easily transfer this over the lid. And I'm not afraid bringing this color over the whole lid. It's really soft. And I'm gonna bring this out, let's say. In the inner corner, like in this area, I'm gonna use the same shade. And the next shade I'm about to use is going to be this really pretty, kind of like a rosy shade. The color is Rose Water. Rose Water, really similar to something that she's wearing. So let me grab my flat brush. I am going to wet it first because I guess we need like maximum coverage and we need like maximum payoff. And I'm going to get it over my lid. And if I'm mistaken, she dragged this color a little bit further to the brow bone. And in the inner corner, there's a little bit of gold shimmer. That's why I'm gonna add a little bit from the same palette. The color is gonna be Bizarre. This one is gold, really nice and pretty. I'm gonna get it in the inner corner. I don't really need any wet brush. In this case, we need just a hint of gold. I'm gonna create my line first and then go back to the bottom. I need some black liner, and this is gonna be really hard in my opinion because I'm not good at any lines. I don't know, just like creating that makes me cringy because I can't do that. I can definitely see that the line is not going from this area, but practically from this. And we're gonna create some really sharp, like straight line. I wanna create some sort of angle, but a straight line as well. Now I'm going back with the same line. And now I am finally ready to get back to the line. Let me create it a little bit more with a steady hand. Let me clean a little bit this line with makeup remover. I'm gonna fill in this line. It might look weird and messy, but I'm gonna need to add a bit of glitter. Not a bit, but a lot of glitter. I'm gonna be using today just glitter and wet brush. Today I'm using NYX Glitter Goals and this beautiful shade. First of all, we would need to get white pencil on the waterline and then a little bit of purple shade. I'm going to be using today James Charles eyeshadow palette, and I would say the color is going to be this. This is going to be the shade. But I want to create a little bit more precise point. Let me get this color first, and then we're gonna try to prolong it. Soft, like pink, and blend out. I absolutely love it. I'm gonna use some mascara to coat my lashes, and then use falsies. And for my shirts, I'm gonna recreate the same makeup look, but for the left eye. Guys, I'm finally ready to present you the look. I know that my lips are a little bit different from NikkieTutorials. She's wearing like combo of three colors: pink, red and something dark. I don't know, maybe brown or whatever. I really like it, but I wanted to film a small tutorial how I do my lip routine. So if you're interested, you can check out my next video. It's gonna be uploaded really soon, believe me or not. This is gonna be like in 2 days, in no time, guys. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Love the color. That was the main reason why I wanted to recreate this look, because I love the glitter color. Guys, I hope I'm gonna see you in one of my next videos. I love you. Bye bye.